Hey! In front of me is Vivo Y16 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Vivo. Begin by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, just install this free app from Floor to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, open it. Now as you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your Vivos, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!